My name is Peter Burnett. I'm the Director of Community Services for the Municipality of Trent Hills, about an hour and a half east of Toronto. We've had the REALice system for around 3 or 4 years now, and I researched it for years before that, before we actually put in our first system. And now we have it in 2 of our arenas, Warkworth Arena and this new Sunny Life Recreation and Wellness Center. And the public and the staff are very happy with the system. The ice quality is really good, and we're glad we were able to get on board with REALice. We did a blind trial with our first system in Warkworth. We didn't notify the public we were making any changes. We put the system in, operated as we normally did, and wanted to see what would happen. If we would get compliments on the ice, if the quality of the ice was different from an operator's perspective and from a user's perspective, and we did. To our surprise, it was great to see. We got unsolicited compliments on the ice quality. We have curling in that facility, and the curlers complimented the ice and that they could see the lines a bit better. So after the 2 years we operated REALice in Warkworth, we were starting construction on this new facility, and we put it right in the RFP to include REALice in this facility. The public like it, and I think they really appreciate we're looking at alternatives to kind of traditional ice making, and it works out really well for us here.